In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view your personal time entries in Kimai. Kimai is a straightforward tool for tracking the time you spend on tasks and projects, and in this walkthrough, we'll focus on finding and reviewing your own records. Start by opening Kimai in your browser. When the dashboard loads, you're ready to move into the tracking area. Look to the main menu and click Time Tracking. This section is where Kimai organizes everything related to the hours you've recorded. Inside Time Tracking, choose My Times. This view is dedicated to your personal entries, so you're not looking at a team overview or any shared reports, or secrets, just your own work log. Once My Times opens, you'll see a list of entries arranged in a table. Each row represents a time record, typically showing the date, the project or activity, the start and end times or total duration, and any notes you added. This is the best place to confirm what you worked on and when. At the top or bottom of the page, Kimai may summarize what's on screen. For example, you might see entries 5, which simply means 5 of your records are currently visible. You may also notice a small status label such as Status Displayed. That indicates the list is actively showing your results as expected. To move through your history, scroll down to see more records. If you've been tracking time for a while, there could be many entries, so use your mouse wheel, trackpad, or the scroll bar to keep going. As you scroll, watch the dates to stay oriented. It's often helpful to pause and scan the descriptions you wrote, especially if you're reconciling hours or preparing an invoice. If something looks off, for instance, you remember tracking a task but don't see it right away, continue scrolling to load additional rows. Sometimes the entry you're after is just farther down the list. Also, verify that you're still in the My Times view, since that's the place that shows only your personal records. That's all there is to it. Open Kimai, head to Time Tracking, choose My Times, then review your entries and scroll to explore more. With a quick glance at the on-screen summary, like Entries 5 and Status Displayed, you'll know exactly how many items you're viewing and that the list is active. Keep this routine in mind whenever you need to audit your day, confirm billable hours, or get a clean snapshot of your recent work.